Namaskar and welcome to Epaulettes Aviation. My name is Ronak. Continuing with our series of how to answer airline questions, we have few additional questions today. One commonly asked question being, who is your role model and why do you look up to them? Please feel free to naturally and honestly reply to this question. The interviewer is trying to gauge an insight into your personality as to what kind of people you look up to morally and in other stratas of life. Pick a person, their quality, and state the obvious for the interviewer to know about your personality. The answer could be, my personal example of the people I look up to is Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. The reason I look up to him is he excels in his craft. He has discipline, and that shows when he practices a lot even before a friendly match. There have been times when he's been dismissed due to human error by the error of an umpire as well, but he still manages to maintain his respect towards the craft and the umpire and walk out of the field with head held high. His dedication, discipline, and friendly attitude towards the team members makes me respect him and want to be like that individual in my own craft. The following extracts have been taken by a book published by Captain Tomar of Desh. If you would like to see more of such interview questions or add anything to our channel, please feel free to comment below, like, and subscribe. This is me, Ronak, for Epaulettes Aviation.